So I've done it in the corner liner. Now let's do that wing and then fill it in. Now it's time for freckles. Come on, please be a good one. Oh, it's not bad, but I was hoping it would be something red. I've gone in with a light green face paint. So I'll do a line right here. So I know that's where the tree starts at the top and that's where it ends at the bottom. Then I'm gonna do a triangle at the top. And then as I go down, I'm gonna make the edges a bit wider. It kind of comes down like a pyramid. Going in with the darker green shade, I'm gonna start outlining the tree on one side and just shading in the sides. You can add a bit more of that dark green throughout the edges of the tree. Add in a few blue dots around. Do some red, do some yellow. Adding some green eyeshadow across the bridge of my nose. Colourful freckles. Moving on to the lips. Come on, give me something good. Ah, red! The filter understood the assignment. Now I'm just adding some red lipstick. But who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, here's the end result. Honest thoughts, is this a cute or a fail?